This is their job this morning. Get these going. Over here. Check out later on this afternoon and see these results. Get all this cleared. But yeah, nobody likes to see weeds on their path. So come back. I'm trying to get a nice line, but it's hard. So come through here, sweeping it up, clear all this off now, and then we'll hit it with the cowl gun again. See here? Don't worry about the weeds, we'll scrape over that. Aye, hey man. This is the progress so far. Nice stuff. Comes up straight away, you pull it out. That one. So it just goes to show the different fucking level of the hose. So get the right hose, yeah? So we did that patio there, all that. Jimmy George! All there, all the way across here. Look, I got 2 cameras on the go. The path was damaged here, done the best they could. And then, you're the boss. And then all the way around here. Steps down there, all done. And through here.